Hi everyone! For this recipe we start with softened butter. If needed, soften the butter in a microwave, but be careful not to melt it. Then add the granulated sugar, add vanilla extract and mix until soft and fluffy. Add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk. Beat until smooth. Lastly, mix in the honey and set aside. Combine the flour, spices, baking powder, salt and cocoa powder. Whisk together. Little by little, incorporate the dry ingredients into the egg mixture, alternating with 3 tablespoons of milk. And do not forget to add the lemon zest, which I almost forgot myself. The dough will be dry. Transfer to a clean table and knead until just smooth. Do not over-knead, especially if you are using a stand mixer. If the dough is a bit sticky, put it in a fridge for a while until it hardens a bit. Mine looks just fine and not overly sticky, so I'll go ahead and roll it. Stretch it until about ½ centimeter or 0.2 inches thick. Cut the cookies and, using a thin spatula, transfer to a baking sheet. Gather the scraps and repeat. Bake in a preheated oven for exactly 10 minutes. To decorate, combine the powdered sugar with a bit of milk. The consistency should be smooth, but thick and barely pourable. Transfer to a piping bag and decorate as desired. Then wait for the glaze to solidify. So this is it. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did, do not forget to subscribe and hit that like button. I will see you in the next video. Bye!